Kwa hivyo ingawa dira yetu huko ataenda Ethiopia, sisi tuko hapa kama viongozi, sisi tuko hapa mashinani kama magavana, tuhakikisha ya kwamba watu wa Kenya wajiandikishe kama wafuasi na wa members wa ODM.
A political party will capture power either alone or through a coalition. As ODM, we have been in coalitions. 2013, we were in CORD. 2017, we were in NASA. 2022, we were in Azimio. And for now, you can see every party is strengthening itself for purposes of formation of other coalitions so that we can go and capture power.
Most political parties are seasonal. They are fly-by-night parties. They are born on one Sunday, and then the next Monday they are dead. It is ODM that is here in perpetuity. It is ODM as a party that is a corporate entity with a perpetual seal. And that perpetual seal and perpetuity is because of the delegates we see here. Any party that does not pay attention to its grassroots leadership is a party that is on the verge of disappearing, and ODM is not among those parties.